Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to connect a kitchen printer and set up kitchen categories in the Slimrate system. First, make sure the printer is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Just check the power cable and the power button. Now grab the tablet that will be connected to the printer and log into the Slimrate system. The main screen will open. In the bottom left corner, find the button with 3 lines. That's the menu. Tap it. Next, select Settings. At the very top of the list, you'll see Printers. Tap the plus sign to add a new printer. Now choose the type, select Kitchen Printer. Give your printer a clear name so your team always knows which one it is, and tap Add Printer. When the printer appears in the list, tap its icon, then on the right, select Connect Printer. From the drop-down, find your connected printer and confirm the selection. That's it. The printer is now connected. Let's check. Tap Test Print. If everything is working, the printer will print out a receipt that says Test Print. Now let's set up which categories will print to the kitchen. On the left, find the Update Categories button and tap it. A list of categories will open. Just tap the ones you want. They'll move over to the kitchen list on the right. Made a mistake? No problem. Just tap the category again to move it back. Once you've made your selections, tap Save. All set. Your kitchen printer is now ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.